Time for our ETF Spotlight. Santoli's here looking at healthcare stocks on a big day for that sector.
Very big day for the sector, Carl. Also, kind of a high-stakes moment for the sector because it has been a notable laggard. In fact, the biggest laggard in the S&P. It's given back a tremendous amount of outperformance it built up into last year. It seemed like people were playing defense, thought healthcare was good for this environment, caught wrong-footed coming into 2019. Look at the XLV. This is the overall healthcare sector spider. You see it well below its highs set last year as opposed to the overall market, which is on the verge of matching those old highs. Not really getting much of a lift today from those earnings from J&J and UNH. J&J, by the way, is the largest component of the XLV at about 11% right there. J&J getting a small bounce this morning. Look at the components, though, of healthcare. The IHF. This is healthcare service providers, basically the hardest hit part of healthcare. UNH is 22% of this ETF. That has been the major laggard, not getting help today from UNH's numbers. Finally, or not finally, IHG is pharmaceuticals. It's basically also been a big laggard, not been a big help. The one that's been the standout is IHI. This is medical devices. Sure, part of J&J is in medical devices, but the pure plays in this ETF, that's where the money is going. Not a lot of policy risk right here, not a lot of kind of payment insurance middleman risk, which I think a lot is really a lot of what's been hanging over the UNHs of the world.
I mean, there's also politics. So yes, yeah. You've got good news today on earnings and the fact that these stocks are cheap. However, 2020 race is heating up. Democratic candidates are talking about ways to fix our healthcare system.
Right.
And that's been a negative.
Democrats are talking about it, and Republicans kind of agree that it's broken. So it's not as if there's necessarily a friendly policy response, at least in terms of the noise the chatter that's going to surround this group for a little while.